Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and I wanted to show you a couple of items I got at our local dollar store just to add some extra new items for Valentine's. And I was going to do a quick update to my milk glass display and add some of these items. I thought they were pretty cute. Basically for $1.99 each of these. Look at the little wooden hearts, really cute. Same with these. And then this box had more wood art items with Valentine's Day themes. So I'm going to add those and I'll show you my display right up next. Okay, thank you. Today I wanted to show you an updated display for Valentine's. It's a vintage Valentine's theme with some new items that I bought at the dollar store here locally, and then I've updated it and added them to my vintage milk glass display, which you might have seen recently. That video is available separately for all the details on my milk glass collection. You can see that video. But for this video, I'm just going to show you what I did for Valentine's Day. I added a few extra things from this year and then some things that I had before, and we'll get started. So at the top there, I've got that tray, and I added those artificial roses. These are probably the best artificial roses I've ever seen. I had got them at the dollar store before, and they're just gorgeous. And then I have those lovely heart-shaped baking dishes or cake dishes and pans. And then I added some more heart decorations on top with the doily as well. And then I have some of those new decorations there. There's that square X and O decoration. There was the heart up top, the wooden heart. And some more of those wooden hearts and old Valentine's cards. Those ones are replicas that I got last year at a flea market or a vintage fair. And an old Valentine's postcard. And some of those sparkly hearts. I just love them from last year. And I've added them to my milk glass. And then more of the red doilies and hearts. That little house decoration that I got at the dollar store. And there's that vintage tin from last year. And it's just beautiful, the heart-shaped vintage tin with the milk glass behind. Again, more of the cards and another of the vintage postcards. Sorry for this reflection. And there we go. And then on the bottom, again, some more of those new hearts. Just drape them around on the side there. And then that little red boy tin. Isn't that cute for Valentine's? I got that one last year. And another large cake pan in the heart-shaped shape, and added a doily there. And some of the vintage hearts again, and another Valentine's card back there. And then the wooden hearts and that red one on the cake platter, and the beaded decoration there with the hearts in front. And then some miniature cookie cutters with the hearts. And those are cute. So all the milk glass, and then at the bottom I just updated it and added my picture collection down there in the ironstone. And that's the Valentine's display for this year. I hope everybody has a lovely Valentine's Day and that you get a chance to spend time with your loved ones and enjoy your day. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support and comments, and we'll see you again soon. I'll be back next week with another video. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon.